So it's my baby's birthday today.
I'm so pangit. Why you did not tell that you're gonna vlog?
Well, if I'd have told you, you'd have said no.
I'm not prepared.
Look, she's got to get changed, guys. She's not in her birthday clothes yet, and she hasn't put any makeup on, and she's got a third eye. She won't let me squeeze it. So what you cooking, babe, for your birthday?
It's my spaghetti only. It's spaghetti only.
That's not quite true, is it?
Spaghetti.
That's all you're cooking, but that's not all the food, is they?
No. I ordered palabok. You know palabok, right?
Palabok. I don't like that.
It's pasta with toppings, egg.
Yeah,
You
no,
like
I'm not too bothered about it, to be honest.
Then my dad gonna make pork steak.
So Dad's gonna make pork stick.
Grace ordered.
I've ordered a 36-inch pizza.
Yeah.
I don't know why, guys. You'll probably see why when I do the pizza video. It's gonna be a very quiet birthday party, I think.
Yeah.
There's not many people about.
So
There's not much room to put anything, really, is there? Because of my motorbike and stuff.
Yes.
So what I'm thinking of doing today, obviously it'll be finished by the time you see this video.
Annie, welcome.
What I'm thinking of doing is a live and just let the live stream run. Obviously I'm not going to be sat there 24/7 because it's Mel's birthday and she's going to buy me lots of sandwich, aren't you, babe?
Just lots, just only half.
Alright then, whatever. So I can get bigger than what I am because I'm a very fat daddy now, aren't I, baby? Say no, I still love you.
Yes.
Do you love me even though I'm really fat now?
Yes.
Why? It's crazy. It's crazy
Because
talk.
I'm a crazy lady, that's why.
Because you're a crazy lady. So I've not got a lot of battery. I'm going to have to charge this up. So we'll show you a little bit of the birthday party. Can you just go and switch the light on so I can show them what you've done? Mel's done this herself. It's really dark in there, babe. Quickly, sweetie, because my battery's just about to go. That is really, really damn sweet, guys. I don't like it. It's not the bolognese sauce we're used to. It's raining, what, for a change?
Oh.
So, here you go. I bought Mel a big pizza. I bought her the cake. I give her a little bit of something else. That's not a deal, but so there you go. Mel did this all on her own for her birthday. Nobody helped her. Some of the balloons have lost their air. Look, she had lights on last night. She just took them off because they just kept falling down. She got a bit sick of it.
Yeah.
So there'll be a little bit of food later and people walking in and out.
And to Desmond, thank you so much for the gift. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Desmond. Thank you very much. So you can see that there's not a lot of room and the kids have destroyed our settee and my bike's in.
It's raining.
My motorbike's in. We've had to pull the karaoke out the road to put the table there. But it should turn out alright, guys. So we'll...
There's no visitors. There's only...
Not really.
Annie can come. I will invite her if she wants to come.
Oh, that's nice of you. So we'll see you in a little Mel when things kick off. And Mel's looking all sexy. Huh? Yeah, there you go. Oh, the pizza I've bought my baby has arrived.
Yes, I'm excited.
Now this is called the Goliath pizza. It's 36 inches and it's 1,400 pesos.
Plus delivery free. Plus delivery charge.
Delivery charge is 65 pesos.
For our area.
Yeah, and they'll go out of area, guys. So if you live outside of Naga, they'll go outside of Naga, but obviously it'll cost you more.
Are you ready?
Let's go. Let's see this Goliath. Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Ooh, look at that.
Oh my God!
So big. Don't, but Sophia, don't touch it. Just look lang, don't touch. Wow.
So, what's your birthday like so far?
Thank you.
I tell you what, just get a Filipina food and chocolate and that's all you need to do.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh, say picture. Take a picture. Happy birthday. Say picture. No.
Just get somebody else to use your phone, Mel, so you can send it to me, babe.
Picture ko ay cellphone ko yan.
Lagay na lang ito yung malabo na.
Get.
Now.
Right, we need a good picture.
Picture takan. Oh, like this. Nanani ang picture kita.
Can you please
Say
wait?
ma picture.
Hello.
Ayan si Kato.
Cats is here.
Ang lagay sa si Kato.
Wow,
Kami na ka. Picture muna. Oh, may cake si manay mo.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Hi,
Another cake. Gonna put that over here.
Very nice.
You want that giant pizza? Huh?
Time is it? 5.
Yeah, that's
So we're gonna do it'll be a live stream, but we won't be sitting on it. So just so people can see who's coming, who's going. Can't believe the size of this pizza, it's massive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 6 different flavors. Wow. There you go. Right.
Take a picture.
Oh, take a photo na.
Oh, you can take a picture.
God, pare na.
Ay, ika na lang.
So nobody's really here yet. I mean, Cats has just come. Say hi, Cats.
Hi.
Hi. He's
Say hi, Mia.
playing with my daughter. Hello. And of course, you got the beautiful Annie, who's pregnant.
Hello.
She's having a little girl. And that's Annie's daughter. And Mel's just gone off into the kitchen. So we've got foods and we've got nowhere to put it. That pizza's taken up the whole damn table. You can see how cluttered the room is. I mean, how many women would let you have a motorbike in the front room? I know. I used to put mine in the kitchen when I had my own house, before I got the big house and got a garage. So they're getting stuck into the pizza here, look. They're cutting pieces off it, giving it to the kids. Now, the last time we got this, it's alright. It's nice enough, but again, you know, I'm a bit biased because I like the UK pizzas. Where's your pizza? So he got a piece, he took the meat off the top, the ham, and then he just put the pizza down. And it's no good she getting anything because she'll just sit and put her fingers in it and mess with it. She's taking his pizza off him, look. Oh my god. That's just been on the floor.
So nice you helped the baby. Nice. Good job, Pia. High five. Good job. Come here. Oh, you love the baby.
So I don't know what all the flavours are, but I'll try a little bit of it. Yeah, they put the food back, look. So we've got the obligatory sweet spaghetti. I can't stand that stuff. Spalago. Palabo. Palabo.
Shrimp.
It's not too bad. I don't mind that. This is very salty. What's that called, Mel?
Pork stick.
Pork stick. Yeah. There's the cake I got, Mel. There you go. And Kat's bought Mel this. Happy birthday, Auntie Mel.
You will start
Love
dating.
cats. Yeah, stop. I thought that was a rat and it's my son. So I'm going to get a little bit of pizza and I'll switch on again when there's a few more people here and it's really noisy. There you go, that's our next door neighbours. Look, they're all UK. I know it's not good. We're trying to find another bulb. I forgot I should have got a bulb. Every time I go into town I never get them. I want one but I never get them. Most of them are gone for pizza, but they haven't. They've gone for the spaghetti and whatever that meat was and that other thing.
Yay! Thank you, Matmat! Go! Louder!
Sa city lang. Pero na-try ko na kasi sa Quezon. Medyo napaano spicy siya. Mayroon siyang konting-konting bakeness o lamya.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.